the key. Okay. Ice cream cheers.
Wait. Driven.
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
Michael! Congratulations!
Woo, you're so happy. Peaches. Peaches.
Yeah. When we were on October, that was Cyprus. That's Cyprus.
Busy. Busy Kitsilano.
They do actually.
Look at that, the bike.
Coast Mountain Bus Company is hiring bus drivers. It's one of BC's top employers.
Trying to load the boat. Once again, all the drivers of the
Here we go. And all the bike packers. Lots of them. All the bike packers. Bike packers. Breakfast on the ferry.
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers.
All hills from here.
Red-legged fall. Red-legged frog trail.
These are giving me life. Oh, the seals. Hanging out.
There's a big fat one on top of the rock.
They're all lying there.
Again, the one on top of the rock? You're blocking your finger. Look at your finger. See on the wall.
Where?
Right there. It's a big fat one right there.
No.
Bite through this whole thing?
I think so.
Pretty cool.
Got our tent set up. Dionisio Point. Tantalus Range, I think.
Mount Belly.
Mount Baker. Poppin' banh mi's. There's banh mi. It's bomb. Pork lemongrass and this view.
We're getting a video with these guys. Okay, go get in the water.
I think it's
It's cold. Okay.
Mr. Flash.
You'd be good right there if you had your tripod. And then pull it down. Pull it down and turn right. That's it. Go there.
Let's do it. How was it?
Pretty good.
What do you rate it?
You got a 5?
Okay.
Oh, Nelly.
Happy birthday, dear Kyle. Happy birthday to you. A pizza.
Very thin crust.
Super thin.
They're all fresh, right?
Yeah.
Chef's in the kitchen.
Shop in the kitchen. Chef 1, Chef 2, Chef 3.
You're gonna wash the
I'm
dishes.
just waiting for my. No, I'm gonna cook my shrimp. I'm waiting for the.
Yeah, I'm
He
washing
said
the
he's
dishes.
gonna pan first.
More spot prawn.
Bon appetit.
This is expensive meat.
Farmer's market. Yeah. Fox and Oak.
Quite a few for you guys.
Bye. Got him. Good?
But you never know, they're probably friends. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, obviously they're friends.
Did you get the video of that?
Yeah.
They took the wine? Ouch.
Going out.
He got the wine. He had to run back to get the
He
wine.
got the wine. He got a wine bottle. Catch up, catch up.
Keep moving. Keep moving.
So romantic. They're like, we don't care about the Canucks game. We want to watch the sunset together.
Freezing.
Is the water cold? Did you touch it? Okay. Yeah, there's people there. There's a crew that. But they put in a box. Galliano's on the other side.
Again.
Very.
That's one. What the hell?
There, look at them, look at them, look at them.
Oh, with the bunny.
Wow. What, you want to go to the end? Go to where Uncle Vince is. It's more flat. Come around. I want to reveal the action. Oh wow! Look at that, Purdue. Look at that. Did you got the plans? You think? Not really, no. I don't like waiting. You know, they're just like it's cool. Like a whole shot of it. Okay, take a shot now. Oh, that's what you're asking for. The big head. Oh, that's a cheek. It's a potato. A ginger beer.
Turn right. Turn away. Scomanish.
Because they're talking about it, talking to him.
Oh, you know what?
Big boy purchase. Little market.
What do you call this?
No goats on the roof. Goats on the roof is one scoop. One scoop of ice cream.
Carpet crispy. It's crispy. There's no purpose.
It's nice because it's sunny and then that's dry. Very dry.
It's pretty narrow. It's like you already can see where it's like narrow.
Welcome to the Pino.
Nice view.
Nice view. Look at that. What's that?
Oh, those are hotel pods. View from our balcony. Not bad.
You gonna get two?
Pineapple Express. Yes.
Need a Tofino sign. Tofino sign.
Yes, got it.
How come this is just in the
Sick. Yeah, you need a plate now.
A big one.
Look at that view. Pizza, dude. Pizza. Billie Eilish, Not, what is it? 9 sticks?
Yeah.
Whoa, what's that?
Kyle's birthday hike. Happy birthday, Kyle.
Thank you.
Oh shit, they just saw my slide door.
First up.
video of us walking over.
I did.
Oh, you did? It's a pretty chill walk.
Sunburn.
Carrying all this.
Capture the sand. Okay, I'm going.
Oh no.
This is here in Emmanuel. It's our 4th time.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Sheila, because Sheila didn't do it. Yeah, because Sheila hasn't done it yet. Sick. No, it's not that bad. No, right?
Sorry?
No, I wouldn't look like this.
No, with the black sand, black rock.
That person. Taylor.
This guy.
Yeah. You gotta focus on us. There you go.
Us. Happy birthday.
Okay.
It's hella windy.
Like that.
You don't want to do it when it's like already dark outside.
I can't fucking see
You want?
Squad. Fire. Ah.
And I went down that hill straight.
No. You think of that thing in the back? Yeah. My parents walk it in. Go on. Yes.
Birthday to you. Birthday to you.
Try to go now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kyle. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow it out, blow it out.
Oh.
Happy birthday. You're like, stop. Cute.
Sick. Good job.
Cathedral Grove. Look at those roots.
Wait.
What
What are you laughing at?
Mr. Crafts.
Cold?
Is it cold?
Sun.
So high.
The oldest tree?
So high. Nature. Go back.
But they posted on TikTok, and the boss saw the TikTok.
Hey, puppy.
Hypoallergenic, that's for sure.
Oh, good girl. Cheers. Cheers.
Doing the green thing.
You got a lot of this.
What are you doing, mommy?
How big do you want it?
Do you want rice? No, not for now. Not for now. Can I have like 2 steamed rice?
Okay, we just dropped off Kyle's parents to the airport. Now we are off to the US, waiting at the border on this rainy Friday.
That old man's literally his head under the steering wheel.
It's so fast.
What are you doing? Welcome to Fremont.
El resto desaparece. Quiero quedarme con esto para siempre.
This is the viewpoint.
It's so pretty.
Are you dating an American or a Canadian? Okay, so you got this.
Trees. This is May.
Watch out for the tree. You gotta aim. Oh shit. Sick.
Oh, come to us.
It's gonna stop there.
Hey.
You need a running start. You should have ran in there. It's like an ab workout. You got. See where you're going. See?
That's kind of fun.
How is it?
It's like giving prison tray, kind of.
Amazing.
Before he's done. Hey there. Well, no, you should take a video. Send to Melanie. It's number one Vietnamese barbecue.
Yeah, she's like,
You got soup?
these look like shells.
Just take a video.
I was in San Francisco for a little bit.
Right.
But like Toronto, like
Hot pot for two.